Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. How to buy Aster token on mobile. So first of all, open the Aster mobile app and make sure you will have logged in, and you will just have to connect your wallet on the top. So I will be just connecting the Phantom wallet, and after we will move in the right bottom corner option is the assets, and we will just tab on deposit option. Just tab first of all, and after you will just have to simply copy the deposit address and go back. Just open the Phantom wallet and make sure you will have logged in, and we will just tap on send. Just select the network of coin. So from here you will just paste from clipboard which you have just copy the address. Just tap on next and just write the amount of Ethereum token. After right now I will be just have insufficient, but this video will have to teach you how to buy a coin token on Aster. So just go back, just cut it. After done you just tap on next, and after next you will be just have to refresh it, and it will be just a total balance in this. So that's it. Thank you.